Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to double knit. Double knitting is a great technique for creating a reversible two-layer fabric with no wrong side. So what you'll need for this little sample is two different colours of yarn. Let's call them colour A and colour B. I'm using a dark green and a light green, and straight or circular needles in a size that matches your yarn. I'm going to cast on around 10 stitches, and I'm going to start with one colour and then the next. So you can use both colours together, treating them as one, or you can use a two colour cast on, alternating stitches between colour A and colour B. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm alternating the cast on from colour A and colour B. For each stitch, you'll treat colour A stitches as the front layer stitches and colour B as the back layer stitches. So we've got an even number of stitches alternating colour A and colour B. To begin with, in the first row, I'm going to hold both yarns at the back of the work. I'm going to knit the first stitch with colour A, and then bring both yarns to the front and purl the next stitch with colour B. Then for the rest of the row I'm going to repeat this and knit one stitch with colour A, bring both yarns to the front, purl one stitch with colour B, take both yarns to the back, knit one stitch with colour A, and repeat to the end of the row. When you've finished row 1, turn and begin row 2. So row 2 is repeating the same pattern on the back with colour A and colour B, and you will knit the knit stitches and purl the purls. So we're changing now. I'm going to knit this first stitch with colour B, and then I'm going to bring both yarns to the front and purl the next stitch with colour A. Take both yarns to the back of the work and then knit with colour B, bring both yarns to the front and purl with colour A, and then I'll repeat that until I get to the end of the row. You can see from the previous row which stitches are knit and which are purled. So the stitch facing you closest is knit and the stitch behind it is purled. When you come to do your edge stitches, it's a good idea to catch both yarns together so that you don't end up with a gap like you can see here. If you don't do this, then they won't be attached to each other. So when you knit the first stitch, both yarns will be at the back. Bring both yarns to the front, and the yarn that you need to purl the next stitch, you need to cross it over with the previous colour before you purl, so that both fabrics are staying together at the sides. And then you can continue on both yarns at the back and then continue on from there like before. So knit one, purl one, alternating the colours. I'll run through this row again, and then I'll show you that connecting yarn technique at the start of the next row. When you're ready to turn the work, we will begin by knitting the first colour. With both yarns held at the back. Bring both yarns to the front, and then you will purl the next stitch, but you need to catch that yarn underneath the previous colour so that it stays locked together at the sides. For more information, please visit the link in the description. I hope that this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching.